So here's our pond dam we're going to be working on today. We've siphoned the water down some. The regular standpipe is right here. As you can tell, was not working because it's got weeds growing out of it, clogged up. So somebody had the bright idea to put a spillway in the center of the dam, and as you can tell, that was not a good idea. So throughout the years and heavy rains, it has eroded beside it, and now the dam, the water was right here when we come here, was on the brink of failing. Well, it has failed, but completely failed, where the entire dam would breach, blow out, and all the water would run out. It's not a very big little stormwater pond, but yeah. So we're going to dig all this out, put in a new overflow, redo the spillway, and fix the back of the dam, because there was the old overflow pipe and it would dump out halfway down the dam. Eroded all that out, massive sinkholes, just a complete disaster. So we're going to come in here and fix this the way that this needs to be fixed. That's a hell of a washout. Alright, well, I'm going to rake all this rock up and get this cleaned out so we can dig this out and put some good dirt back in here. I'm down here at the bottom now. Got all that rock raked out and dirt put in there and tracked in, and now he's dumping dirt down to me. Take it and build the backside of this pond dam back in, get it packed in here. All you can do is use the excavator. I mean, there's nothing else you can put on a slope like this to even pack it in, so you just got to do the best you can with what you got. But I've done it many a times and it seems to work fine for me. The main thing is to fix the hole up there where it was leaking through. Get that dug out and compact it back real good. And I'm gonna go and dig up that old overflow pipe right there, and we'll put our new one in right there. It's some lumpy, clumpy clay we got to deal with. But it'll work. We'll get all this graded out. I raked all the rock down here so that my new pipe, I'll just have it where it discharges onto it, kind of like a dissipator pad. That way the water, I don't know who had a bright idea that the spillway needed to go right there. So that was not a good idea. Well, time to wait for more dirt. Clumpy and lumpy dirt, but it packs good. So now I got my overflow ditch dug. I already took out the old pipe. Gonna run the new one through here, come down the hill, dissipate out onto the rock. He's bringing the last little bit of dirt down, soften the slope of the dam. I'll get that packed in. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and set our overflow pipe in. Start backfilling. Into day one, pretty well got majority of all the dirt put in. Got to grade it out tomorrow, pound it down. Got the overflow put in. But the main thing was we got the dam back to grade, so we just got to grade it out. Got it filled in. I'll grade that out in the morning, pack it down. Overflow goes through here, got it put in, let my concrete dry, and I'll backfill that in the morning. Finish dressing up, and then topsoil, and then cut the spillway in. Other than that, the hard part's done. So we got the topsoil spread out this morning, put 2 loads on it so we can kind of grade that lumpy stuff out. And we took the straw blower, put some straw on it. Got it seeded so it'll stabilize it, and hopefully it won't rain an ungodly amount. And it'll start sprouting. Got a trash rack on the pipe. It'll be the new overflow. And then I'm down here cutting the spillway in. I've got it started, but I couldn't cut my access off until we got the straw blower and the skid steer through here. So now we can do everything from the other side. So I want to finish grading it out. There's a lot of old rock in here I've been just kind of raking through, piling it up down here. Then we'll put our fabric down and rake that rock and put our new rock on top of it, and then this will be our wrap. And I got a little more dressing up to do up there. I don't want to go ahead and get the video before we run out of here, but I got the spillway put in, rock all the way down to here. It's dressed up. All I got to do is finish seeding and strawing, and this will be done. Got it pounded down where it'll discharge down here and go out into the woods. Hey everyone, so I did get a package from, this is actually from To The Top Cranes. You've probably seen some of his comments. He comments pretty often in my videos, so you can probably find him through that. But he was nice enough to make me a couple magnetic GoPro mounts. They stick together. And then, which was it? I was playing with them earlier. and you can barely put them together. But he made me, yeah, 2 of these. So hopefully, I just like playing with them. Can you tell? But I guess, yeah, that one's for like a phone or a camera. I could probably put that camera. It would screw on right there. But the GoPro one, take that out and mount the camera right there, and then I can mount that on the, well, anything metal pretty much. So thanks, man. I appreciate that. And let's see. I think there was something else in the box. Blue shop towel. You can definitely tell he works in construction. Oh yeah, we got some. What is that? That is it's a phone mount. So everybody's complained about how I keep my phone laying on the seat in between my legs. Can you see that? Some cool little stickers. He said he would include that. Everybody complains about how I leave my phone between my legs. So now I can put, well, they're stuck together. That should screw together. Well, hell, even if I record my phone, I'll put that in there. That's pretty cool. Pretty nifty. Oh, we got some more stickers. Look at those. Those are kind of cool. I'll put them on my door over here. So give him a little, check out his stuff. His channel's got its ups and downs, you know, ups and downs, yeah. So, all right, man, I appreciate it. Have a good one.